I'm sure you must have seen this video. The process of ice sheets breaking off is called calving. Welcome everybody to the second series of Me and Greenie. This is Monica. Now, one thing that I will mention again, just like trees are able to store up carbon, you have ice sheets that are able to store methane. Methane is also an important greenhouse gas. So all these ice sheets in the north as well as the south pole, they all store up bubbles and millions of tons of methane. So if the ice cap or the ice sheets are melting, you can imagine the methane that it was once storing in permafrost, they melt up and they also go into the atmosphere. That's why it's like magic when you see someone matching a fire stick close to an ice hole and suddenly a flame comes up. That's because of methane. I mean, the bubble in Siberia, which you will see, is a bubble of gas, and this is happening all over the northern areas of the world. That's why I said trees are the OGs, like they can do so many things. Now the solution to this is to plant more trees, is to protect the trees that we have, because they're one of the cheapest solutions to combating climate change. If you have these trees, they soak up more carbon, and if they soak up more carbon, you won't have the ice sheets melting. It's as simple as that.
You see why I think trees are just awesome? They're like one of my favorite species right now. Check out my last video. It shows how to plant a tree to combat climate change.
For those who have no space to plant a tree, no worries. Flood your house with indoor plants. So this is me signing out. I hope you liked this video as short as it is. And I hope you join my green tribe, like, subscribe, and share this video to people you know, people you don't know also. Everybody needs to be on this train. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you next week with another video. Bye. Kato say bye. Bye.